You can track your work with contacts, view your interaction history, and see the progress of work with your details. If necessary, you can manually add new data, leave comments, or contact the client directly. Contacts are automatically created when you add them to deals or when they go to deals automatically. You can also add them manually through the Contacts tab. To add a contact, go to the Contacts section and click Add Contact. Select a team member to assign to manage this contact. Then enter the contact's information. In the Messenger field, you can insert a phone number or username in the messenger. When you click on the icon, you'll be redirected to a specific messenger to chat with your client. You can also add attributes for the contact, add tags, fill in fields, or create a new field. To add a new field, click Add Field. Then, enter a name and select the field type. Check if you want to make the field mandatory. Click Add Contact. Now the contact will be available for selection when you're creating deals. Also, contacts in your CRM database are created automatically when creating deals. The Contacts section displays all the contacts that you created manually, added when creating a deal, as well as those that were added with the automatic source of the deal. On the page, you'll see the name of the contact, their contact details, the number of deals to which the contact has been linked, tags, and contact fields. To show or hide contact fields, click on the three dots and mark the fields. You can filter your contact list that will be displayed on the screen. To do this, go to the Contacts section, click Filter, and select the necessary filter conditions. You can filter your contacts by the following criteria. Period of adding. Specify the time period or select the last days option. Team member. Select one or more team members responsible for the contact. First name, last name, email address, and phone number. Enter contact details. Source. Select the source using which the contact was added. Chatbot, subscription form, landing page, automation 360, payments, API, integration, import, or manually. Type and link to messenger profile. Specify one or more messengers and enter a link to it. Tag. Enter the tag associated with the contact. You can also filter your contacts by field you created for them. Please note, if not all contact filter fields are displayed, try clicking on Change Filter Fields and selecting the filters you want to display. Click on a contact to view and edit their information. You can edit the contact's first and last name and view the source and date when they were added at the top of the contact page. The customer's contact information is displayed below their name. If necessary, you can change the phone number, email address, and select a messenger profile to communicate with the client. You can also change the team member responsible for the contact. You can also see the contact attributes. Add contact preferences and features to personalize your communication with customers via email, SMS, and chatbots. To do this, enter or select the value you see next to the required contact attribute or create a new one. On the right of the History tab, you can add comments about the contact. You can see the history of working with the contact and participation in deals with all the comments below. You can choose to view the entire history or only the comments. The Deals tab displays the list of deals associated with your selected contact. To add a new deal for the selected contact, click Add Deal. Enter the deal name and amount, and select the team member, deal stage, and deal type. Create new fields as needed. Click Add Deal. You can also add a deal for a contact by clicking the Add Deal icon. In the Payments tab, you can see more information on the contact's payments, payment system, amount, description, status, and date. The selected payment system provides details on all payment statuses. For more information, we recommend contacting your payment service provider's support team. In the Email tab, you can connect the client's email address to CRM. The Courses tab displays the courses for which the contact has registered, course progress, and the courses they have already taken. The Email and Courses tabs are currently under development. You can also go to the Contact page to view more detailed information or edit data. To do this, select your contact and click on the Contact Details icon. On the left, you can view or edit their first and last name or contact details, connect or delete a contact, and create a new deal. Then, you can select your new team member and view and edit contact attributes. You can also add a new field. On the right of the History tab, you can add a comment about the contact and view the history of working with them. You can choose to view the entire history or only the comments. The Deals tab displays the list of deals associated with the contact. You can also add a new deal here. In the Payments tab, you can view more information on the contact's payments: payment system, amount, description, status, and date. In the Email tab, you can connect the client's email address to CRM. The Courses tab displays the courses for which the contact has registered, course progress, and the courses they have already taken. You can reach out to the client directly from the contact card via chatbot or email. The button Send via Chatbot will be available if the contact is subscribed to one of your linked chatbots. Then you can click Open Chat and go to the chat. You can also send an email to the contact. To do this, click Send Email. To customize your contacts, go to Contacts, Settings section. You can select a team member assigned to automatically add contacts and customize fields and contact tags. You can export contacts manually or configure automatic exports of all your CRM contacts to a mailing list for bulk or automatic email campaigns. To do this, mark the contacts you need and click Copy. Select the mailing list you want to copy contacts to. You can transfer them to an existing list or create a new one. After setting up the export, click Copy to start the export.